This is the best image I've ever seen in my entire life. Wow, the colors are amazing. Now this has the HDR10 technology, which is one of the latest. That gives you the bright colors and the darks and the bright whites. What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is the WeMax Laser Short Throw Smart 4K Projector. And we're gonna set it up, use it, and I'm gonna show you all the amazing features this thing can do. This is probably the most advanced projector I have ever reviewed. So let's get some of these specs out of the way. The size is about 18 by 12 by 3 and the lamp life is around 25,000 hours. Oof. Being into the future. WeMax, Android TV, hey Google, with Google Assistant. Cancel. Laser TV 4K Cinema. 4K HDR ALPD laser light source for finer details. Up to 150-inch image, 8-point keystone correction. DTS HD, Bluetooth, HDMI, and Dolby Audio. It comes with a cleaning cloth and an instruction manual. Take this out. And here's the remote. And it takes two AAA batteries, looks like. There's a Bluetooth remote. And right here is the voice search or Google Assistant button. And navigation controls and select button. And a volume control. The power cable. The laser projector. This is the all-in-one home theater unit. 4 speakers equaling 30 watts. Dolby Digital HD sound. Space Age Gray. So right here, of course, you have power, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and HDMI 3 with audio return channel if you have a surround sound amp that supports that. USB audio output 3.5 millimeter, another 3.5 millimeter AV input, and optical output to your surround sound receiver, and an Ethernet connection. Of course, it has Wi-Fi built in though. Over here on top, you have the laser built in right here, and if you have a cat or a child that might lean over and look into the laser, it'll automatically turn off. There is a sensor for that. See if the sensor detects it. Oh, it knows. So don't worry. Your kids are safe and your cats are safe. Right here on this side, extends the feet. And right here on this side, you got the same adjustment for the feet and a USB connection. And right here, looks like there's a vent. And it looks like you're able to actually mount it. There's screw holes right here. And of course, right in here is the speakers. And this is where you turn it on, or you can use the remote. So this is how easy the installation is. Now, if you want to get over a 100-inch image on your screen, keep in mind you have to set the laser projector about 11 inches away from the screen. Now, an ALR screen is highly recommended to give you the best results. I'm going to turn it on, press the power button, and we're going to set everything up. Now, all the lights are on in my living room. Let's see if we get an image. Alright, it says WeMax has autofocus and 8-point keystone correction. Now let's make sure we're 11 inches from the screen, and looks like we are about actually 10 inches. So we're about 10 inches from the screen. Press and hold. Alright, so we're gonna hold these two buttons right here and release. And the remote is paired. The autofocus works okay, but during the initial setup, you may want to fine-tune the focus by adjusting left and right on the screen. I had to go more to the left to get that focus in tune. Then I proceeded next to the 8-point keystone correction. Basically, just select each corner and adjust it to your screen size. If you're having a hard time adjusting the keystone, move the projector 1 inch out further. Alright, let's go ahead and hit continue. So right here we have the Google app. Let's go ahead and select that. Okay Google, set up my device.
No problem, nothing's been said.
Alright, hit next. And once you hit next, it's going to start searching. Hit next. Okay, next you want to select your Wi-Fi connection. Select your Google account. And now it's copying your account to the projector. Gonna accept. And hit yes. Yes. Continue. Continue. And get your apps from the Google Play Store. Talk to Google Assistant. Cast to your TV, so you can use your phone to cast to this projector. Now you see what it looks like with all the lights on. Let's go ahead and turn off the lights. Holy moly. Dude, this looks better than my freaking 4K TV. Now let's go to settings. Let's see what kind of settings we have. So we got the projector settings right here. Let's take a look at image. Yeah, these are at inputs. Let's go ahead and go to HDMI 1. And you can label each one looks like. If we go down to HDMI control, of course, if you connect your PlayStation 5 to this unit, when you turn on the projector, it'll turn on the PlayStation 5, or when you turn on the PlayStation 5, it would send a signal to turn on the projector. Device preferences. And I believe this is where you can reset the unit. It has built-in Chromecast, which is great if you want to cast things from your phone to the projector. And yes, you can reset it this way. And remotes and accessories. So you can connect Bluetooth controllers to this and Bluetooth speaker mode. Damn, it sounds freaking loud. And it has some bass to it. Oh my god. What the hell? This is the best image I've ever seen in my entire life. Alright, so I'm right now recording in 1080p, 60 frames per second. So you're not going to really enjoy what I'm seeing right now. And also, I'm going to edit this video in 1080p, 60 frames per second because I don't have a monster computer that can handle 4K editing. And then when you upload to YouTube, it also compresses the image. This is better than like what I see with my own eyes. This is more real in real life vision. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the light right here. Oh my god, you can still see the freaking image with the spotlight on. What? See if the sensor detects it. Oh, it knows. The native resolution is 4K. But it does also support 1080p, 720p, and 480p. It has built-in HDR10, which gives you the brightest colors, dark darks and bright whites. The contrast ratio is 3000 to 1. It has built-in ALPD technology, which is the laser light technology that gives you finer details in the image. So if you want to send a video to the projector, it's really easy to do. Make sure the projector is on the same Wi-Fi as your phone. Click on YouTube and then play a video and make sure you see this icon on the upper right hand corner, which is the square. Select that and select the projector, Mi Pro. using an Android phone like this. This is a Samsung S9 phone that has a Type-C connection. And we're going to use a Type-C to Type-C, USB. And you can pause and play. And if you want to disconnect, select it again and choose disconnect. So what do I think about the WiMAX laser projector? It's pretty obvious. I think it's phenomenal. The picture is incredible. The sound is amazing. It's like having a sound bar built into a laser projector, which is really cool. I like that it's so simple to set up and install. I love that you get a huge image on just like, you just move it back just like 13 or 12 or 13 inches and you could get like a 120-inch image on the screen, which is amazing. It has all the smart features you're gonna want. The only downside is that you have to side load the Netflix app using a USB drive update. Guys, if you found this video informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you're interested in the WiMAX laser projector for yourselves, click on the link in the video description below. If you know anyone that might be interested in a laser projector, go ahead and click on the share button below, share this video to them, help someone out. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Thanks guys for watching.